What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Angele Altieri if this is your first time here, and welcome to the video. Today, Boxycharm on unboxing. I did film this yesterday, but I wanted to try out the products today, so I felt like I should just refilm it and talk through the products with you, the ones that I tried, my thoughts and stuff like that. So if you're interested in what I got in my October base and premium boxes for the month of October, then you know the deal, you know the drill, you know the vibes. Let's get it. Let's start with the base box. Itty bitty tiny. And the theme for October is Candy Shop. Very creepy. First is the Beauty Bakerie Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette, which retails for $38. Here's what it looks like. There's no mirror. I have this on my eyes. Today I'm wearing yawning, messy hair. Those are in my crease. I have fresh face all over my lid and French doors on the inner corner. I really like the shimmers in this palette. I think they are very pretty. Very, very pretty. Yes, I'm mostly drawn to the shimmers. And the mattes, they don't look super pigmented right now. I'm also wearing Forehead Kisses, this light one. There is Kick Up with the shades. And I didn't build them up too heavily, so they're not super rich and dark on my eyes right now. I did put light layers and I use a very fluffy brush. So there's that. They are pretty light though. I'm sure they'll build up, but nice palette overall. Swatch this, the deeper shades. Yeah, seems like a really nice palette. Very, very cool tone. It's probably not something I'll use all the time, but it is pretty and I'm not mad at it. And it looks really cute packaging wise. Next we have a Luxie Wonderlust brush set, which retails for $40. It comes with this little bag, which is really cute, and 5 brushes. Today I used this 205 tapered blending brush. Very, very fluffy and soft. I also used for the shimmer on my eyelids the 209 large shader. I have lots of brushes like this. There is a medium angled shader. Not sure how you use those. There's a brow and lash brush. I feel like that sounds weird. And another blending brush, but a lot smaller. The brushes are very soft, nice periwinkle color. If you know who Periwinkle is, leave a comment down below if you know where Periwinkle is from. There's a character named Periwinkle. You let me know if you know who it is. And there's a nice rose gold detailing. Enamel, I like it. These are cute. 40 bucks worth. I mean, that's $8 a brush, which isn't bad. So, really like those very, very much. Next is the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue Concealer. I have the shade Medium Tan 16. This retails for $24. And I'm wearing this today. So that's the shade for me. I don't have on any setting powder, no under eye setting powder, no face setting powder. And the concealer looks really good. This isn't something I need to set. It is quite full coverage. and it blends really nicely and has like a matte finish, so I don't feel like I need to set it. So I really like this so far, and this is my choice product, so I was very excited to have it. Next is the Symbiosis London Tightening and Resplendent Eye Mask. Retails for $93. Rejuvenates and brightens the delicate eye area. Has hyaluronic acid, pullulan, yeah, okay, and shea butter to reduce puffiness and fine lines and dark circles. This has half a fluid ounce, 15 milliliters. I feel like for it being $93, there's not enough. But hey, it's an eye mask, or what is it? Eye mask. How do we use this? Apply a thin layer to clean dry skin. No need to wash off. So it has beeswax, which I'm allergic to, so I won't be using that. But I feel like it's so expensive. It's on Boxy add-ons for $4 from $93. That's a big price difference. I would pay more than $4 for an eye cream, but it is really small for 93 bucks. And the last product in this base box is the HBC Draw It Lip Liner Duo, which retails for $16. I have the shades So Gorgeous, which is a pinky, like a red it's like a strawberry red. Very pretty. And today I'm wearing my ear edges. I'm wearing Be Peachy on my lips today, which is quite peachy neutral tone. I really like this lip liner, very smooth and creamy. I want to compare it to my BFF number 2 from ColourPop. ColourPop is a little bit, ooh, they look so similar. ColourPop is like the same tone, everything just slightly deeper, maybe a little bit more cool, but really like that lip liner. I'll definitely be using that. The total value of the box is $211, which I really love this box. Very happy. My favorite products would be the concealer. So I was most excited about the concealer. Going into the premium, we have first this Illuminati Cosmetics in collaboration with Isabel Bedoya. I think that's how you say it. Retails for $48. Has a mirror, but this palette is cute in essence, but it's not something I would buy or purchase myself. It's just not mind-blowing to me. Does that make sense? Like, the shades are okay. The shades are okay. It's the color selection. I do like this Purple Dream shade. A lot. I like that sparkle right there. Very pretty. It's like these colors don't speak to me. I don't know. I'm not impressed by any means. I'm sorry. Just doesn't make sense to me. So yeah, I probably wouldn't even buy this palette if it was like 20 bucks. 10 bucks. Like, the color story just doesn't make that much sense to me. But I have it now, I guess. Next is the Clarins Instant Smooth Perfecting Touch Primer. Silkening Osseously Micro Pearls to fill in the pores, fine lines, and deep wrinkles. It has vitamin E. yeah, so it's makeup with skincare benefits. This retails for $39. I'm wearing this today, and it definitely smooths out the skin. It comes with a spatula to dig it out. I really like this. I will be using this 100%. Definitely fills in the pores and the lines. It feels really nice and luxe. Love this primer. Really do. Next is my choice product, the Kosas Color and Light Cream Blush and Highlighter, $34. I got the shade Velvet Melon. Dirty Desk. Okay. Velvet Melon, very peachy. And a champagne highlight. You see I'm glossy. Super, super glossy. Very emollient, blends out beautifully, nice and glowy. I really love this product, and I will be using it a lot. Just gives a nice healthy glow to the skin. Gives a nice healthy glow to the skin. I will be using this a ton. So good. Love it. Next is the Go-To Skincare Exfoliating Swipies. It has a solution to get rid of dead skin cells, hydrates the skin, has lactic acid, AHAs, and essential oils to remove dead skins, refine texture, and minimize the appearance of fine lines, and deeply moisturizes. $35. I used one of these yesterday, and it's just a pad. You swipe it all over, you leave on the solution for 60 seconds, and you rinse it off. And then you do your skincare. It's nice. I can't tell the difference right now because I only used one, but I will continue to use it, and it has 50 pads. So that's nice. Next is the Fenty Brow MVP Ultra Fine Brow Pencil, $20. I got the shade Dark Brown. I'm wearing this on my brows today. I do have another one of these in medium brown. So no, I don't have to get a backup. I really, really like this pencil. It's slim and easy to use. So excited to have that. Very, very excited. Lastly is the Laura Geller 50 Kisses Lip Locking Liquid Color. This is $21. It's not my typical shade. Very bright, pigmented, and it does dry down to like a soft matte. Yeah. It's not something I would probably use a lot of, but I have it and I'll try it one day. Today wasn't that day. But this box's value is $197, which is actually less than the base, but I only got one more product. But I'm not mad at it. The standout product, I really like all the products except okay, so I don't like all the products. I didn't care for the eyeshadow and the lipstick, but I do love the primer. I love the blush. I love the brow pencil, and I will be using those wipes. I feel like the base was probably a little bit better because it was products I use a lot of more often, especially the brushes. I always use brushes, and I love the concealer, but I love this primer and the blush. So really happy with Boxycharm this month, base and premium. Let me know what you got in your boxes down below. Let me know what you chose for your choice products next month. I got an Illamasqua eyeshadow palette and a Benefit Give Me Brow because I like brow gels, and it's like a cult classic, so I thought I would try it since they'll have it. But yeah, very happy with Boxycharm. Very, very happy. And the lipstick's drying. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button down below, comment, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification if you're feeling froggy. I post every Thursday and Sunday. If you like me and you like this video, share it to a friend, one friend, all your friends, Instagram, Twitter. I'll link all my social media down below. I'll link my website down below if you're interested in a Jelly's treasure box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to catch you in the next one. Bye.